When you have the courage to ask those questions and you're not afraid, you get paid. If you're different and you can listen and respond and think clearly and ask questions instead of being emotional, then you can help them. If everything is about you, then your paycheck is doomed. And guess what? If you're an entrepreneur, all of your money, your whole life, your whole paycheck depends on you having these skills. It depends on you not thinking only about you, right? You got to think of others. The golden rule: go the extra mile, do unto others. Listening to people is the skill that you need to be amazing friend, amazing communicator, amazing business person. Listening and asking questions, curiosity about people, even asking the hard questions that other people don't want to ask, it shows that you care. Because those people, they want to ask questions, but they're too afraid. But when you have the courage to ask those questions and you're not afraid, you get paid. That's not your goal. That's not your goal to get paid with every person that you meet. The goal is to understand other people. My name is Liberty, and I live to serve you. I'm Worth It Inc. is my entertainment empire, and I am the next Tyler Perry. I am your Harriet Tubman on the way to mental, emotional, social, spiritual, physical, and financial wealth, because you're worth it. Please share this with a friend and watch these episodes right here.